There's some timing issues too. You don't want to jump in too early because then there's not enough rooftops to mark a driver's pool what you're trying to bring out of the ground. We're not the only developers in the space, but it's just kind of constantly surveying the market. That's a part of what we do literally every day. I would not be lying to you if I said I'd probably put 25,000 miles on my car a year. We're just driving. A part of thing is that you have to look at your real estate. That's another thing about investors. I don't like buying stuff that I can't see. I don't like building on sites that I can't drive very often. We have 2 projects in Austin, but we're constantly in Austin, even though we're in Houston. There's not a lot of activity right now because we're in the permitting phase, but once we start building, it's going to be a weekly process, particularly for my partner who's boots on the ground. I don't envision us going much further than our 200-mile radius, honestly. And I
Yeah.
encourage all investors, they should look at exactly what they're building.